Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a pop-up on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a pop-up to your Wix website is a straightforward process that can be a highly effective tool to engage visitors, promote offers, and drive conversions. Now, once you're logged into your account, I want you to click on the sites, and that would lead you to the editor. Now, here, all I have to do is one of the easiest way to add a pop-up is using the Wix Lightbox. Now, all I have to do is go to the Add Elements section on the left side panel of your dashboard. And I want you to click on the Interactive. Okay? Now, you see there's a lot of options for you. The light boxes has the welcome. You see there's a lot of options here. Promotional video offers, subscribe, promotion, contact. On the boxes, you can put in the hover boxes, tabs, and a lot more. But for now, I'm gonna click on the subscribe button for now. Maybe this one. Adding that to your Wix forms and payments, and you're good to go. Just wait for it. Now, once it's added, you might want to click on the Manage Light Boxes so you can be creative and, of course, edit the site for that, all right? So you have the site menu, light boxes, subscribe to join our list. There's going to be some settings for that. For example, I'm going to put in this, all right? You have the X icon if you wanted. But of course, we're going to put that. Close the button as well at the bottom. And there's a lot of that you can work with. All right. You can put in the design, for example, on the image. If you're not happy with that, all I have to do is hover. I'm going to be putting on my media. All right. Site files, I'm going to be hovering to our logo. And that's going to be this. Okay, so you see that? That's basically how you add a pop-up on Wix. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.